This video will look at the right-click context-sensitive menu available in Vertex BD. Commands can be accessed very easily from the menu by right-clicking in the working area. There are many options available, from hiding options to inserting walls and other elements. Aside from the main menu, there are also auxiliary functions that will be directly related to the action you are doing. So for example, verifying dimensions or adding dimension lines without having to go to the toolbar or into the ribbon. These have both been designed with a view to making everything simpler and more accessible, thus making you more productive. These menus are also contextual, so will change depending on what command you are using or element you have selected. For example, with this profile selected, I will see different commands such as cut and double joist. Another example would be the walls or any layered element. Selecting the wall will give me different options to when an individual layer is selected. Note also that if an element is selected, you can use the hide function to hide the selected element, with restore bringing it back. These context-sensitive menus also work on different grip points. So for example, a corner grip point in 2D will give me different options to a center grip point. This concludes our video. Thank you for watching.